Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where microphone is distorted and is making noises in Windows, then please watch this video. Now see, I have faced this issue earlier, so I can tell you one thing. If the microphone was working earlier and the problem is relatively new, in this case, the best approach is to try this microphone with a different computer because the microphone itself can be faulty. Usually, condenser microphones have this tendency of going faulty with time if not used for long. Now, the second approach would be towards the software. So, disable any audio enhancements. Click on the system tray, right click on the system icon, select go to settings, and now you can scroll down and then select more sound settings. So right click on the first device and then select check if you have the enhancement tab. If not, keep checking on the other devices. If you have an enhancement tab, then select this option here, disable all enhancements, apply, okay, and then okay here. The next solution will be a clean boot. Why? Because the third party software could also be interfering with the properties of the microphone, thus causing the problem. Okay, so here's what to do. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services, then select disable all, apply, okay, and then restart. The next is to update all the drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Now expand the list for audio inputs and outputs. Right click on the first one and then select update drivers and update all the drivers, each and every audio driver. And lastly, we also have an audio troubleshooter. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the system tab, select troubleshoot in the right pane. Okay. And then you can select other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the audio troubleshooter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.